Bioshare is a technology developer. We develop solutions for the combined heat and power industry, and the company was founded by me soon 7 years ago. We're established in Sweden, and we are developing solutions to co-produce other things than heat and power from combustion plants. Oh yes, sure. There are multiple possibilities, ranging from like combustible gases, synthetic natural gas, aviation fuel, I said, even ammonia or biochar, hydrogen, pure hydrogen, as well as carbon dioxide. So all kind of additional products that we think would be the focus of a plant owner in the future, not only heat and power, because there's so much more. There are benefits in several areas. One is cost saving when building the plant. We are building in a context where there are biomass handling, where there are operators, maintenance personnel, and so on. That creates a cost saving. There are benefits from an efficiency point of view, where you can capture residual streams and residual heat, meaning that the overall efficiency is greatly enhanced. Also, it gives even more benefits in terms of that you could focus on quality rather than on efficiency, because the efficiency will be there anyhow. So a lot of benefits. Now that is, I would say, from many perspectives, it naturally a plant owner, someone that operates a combustion plant and would like to have a wider product portfolio. Could also be the basis of a joint venture where someone, an actor or a player in the off-take market that would like to go upstreams and secure their supply of renewable fuels or chemicals. So we see a lot of interest for this as a basis for joint ventures in short terms. So I think plant owners, off-take players, or raw material suppliers that also could form a joint venture, possibly with the other two ones. So yeah, for quite a few.